While you've been busy, the world has been racing into the future, unveiling inventions straight out of science fiction. Today on TechByte, we're bringing you the most amazing tech breakthroughs of 2025 that will blow your mind and redefine how we live, work, and play. Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss a single one of these futuristic marvels. Imagine driving your electric car and never worrying about plugging it in. Thanks to wireless charging roads, this dream is becoming reality. These roads use embedded electromagnetic coils to transfer power directly to vehicles on the go. This breakthrough not only reduces downtime, but also moves us closer to a world powered entirely by clean energy. Whether you're looking for quick housing solutions after a natural disaster or seeking a minimalist lifestyle, foldable container houses are here to revolutionize living spaces. Compact, sustainable, and incredibly versatile, these homes can be deployed anywhere in record time. Say hello to the chairless chair, a wearable device that lets you sit anywhere, anytime. Perfect for industries where workers stand for hours. This invention is not just a chair. It's a game changer for ergonomics and productivity. Relax anywhere with a foldable hammock. Its sturdy yet portable design features a built-in cup holder and storage pockets, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Inspired by the loyalty and efficiency of the German Shepherd, this AI-powered robot dog is a farmer's dream come true. It's tireless, precise, and ready to take livestock management to the next level. For adventurers who love the water, the Hexo-Ray swim vest offers both safety and freedom. With air cushions that inflate in seconds, it's your perfect companion for snorkeling, diving, or simply floating without worry. Turn your bike into a snowmobile with the S-Track Snow Bike Conversion Kit. No matter how harsh the winter, you can now navigate snowy trails with ease, combining thrill and practicality. Dynamic shape display technology is making waves in human-computer interaction. Imagine a physical surface that reshapes itself to let you touch and feel data. From design to gaming, the possibilities are endless. This compact air pump is small, but mighty, inflating, deflating, and even lighting up your campsite. Ideal for outdoor activities, it's the perfect tool to keep your gear functional and your adventures lit. Travel is no longer a hassle with the SE3S Smart Riding Suitcase. This lightweight, motorized suitcase not only carries your belongings, but also serves as a personal ride, reaching speeds of up to 8 mph. Its dual USB ports keep your devices charged, making it the perfect companion for frequent flyers. Dive deep into adventure with the Sion Inspector 3. This robust underwater camera captures stable footage even in strong currents, providing unparalleled clarity for divers and researchers. Revolutionize your bedroom or living space with the SRO Smart Side Table. Equipped with wireless charging, a cooling drawer, and built-in Bluetooth speakers, this table is the ultimate multifunctional furniture for the modern connected lifestyle. Take food art to a whole new level with the EveBot portable print pen. Designed with food-safe ink, it allows chefs and bakers to print intricate designs directly onto food surfaces, blending creativity with culinary excellence. Stay safe in the water with the Pluto sensor-controlled safety device. Bring your creativity to life with the Daeon Pixu 64 pixel art display. Customize animations, images, and scrolling text on this vibrant display to add a personal touch to your workspace or living area. Experience the ocean like never before with the AI Monofin. This motorized fin propels you effortlessly through the water, offering a hands-free and immersive underwater adventure for swimmers and divers. Transform your room into a futuristic haven with the Infinity Mirror floor. Its mesmerizing design creates the illusion of endless depth, combining art and functionality to elevate any space. This innovative mobile home turns into a 25-foot yacht, offering luxury living both on land and sea. With a smooth transition and a top speed of 13 knots, it's the ultimate travel companion. Safety meets simplicity with the anti-drowning bracelet. Lightweight and portable, it inflates within seconds of activation, keeping swimmers afloat and adding a layer of security to every aquatic adventure. Calm your nerves with the soothing Snuggle Otter. This plush toy mimics natural breathing patterns, emits gentle light, and plays calming sounds, making it ideal for babies and adults dealing with stress or anxiety. Add a serene touch to your home or office with the Jelly Cylinder 5 Aquarium. This compact jellyfish tank simulates their natural flow and features advanced LED lighting, creating a soothing and captivating centerpiece. Say goodbye to idle screens with the Mouse Mover. This innovative device simulates mouse movement, preventing computers from going into sleep mode, ideal for uninterrupted work sessions. Meet the ProLab Mouse, a pocket-sized innovation that packs a punch. With its 360-degree rotating trackball and ergonomic design, it's perfect for professionals on the go, offering precision and convenience. This electric two-wheeled car uses gyroscopes for unmatched stability, offering smooth, secure rides. Its futuristic design and compact size make it ideal for modern cities, changing the way we travel. Estetro automates stair cleaning, ensuring each step is spotless. Perfect for homes or offices, it saves time while delivering thorough, consistent results for a cleaner living or working space. Explore the unseen world with the phone microscope lens. This easy-to-use attachment turns your smartphone into a powerful microscope, opening up endless possibilities for learning and discovery. Enjoy cinema-quality visuals on the go with the Capsule 3 laser projector. Compact yet powerful, it delivers stunning image clarity and is perfect for creating a portable home theater experience. Leave window cleaning to the Chovy Robot. With its unique double helix cleaning system, it tackles high-rise and hard-to-reach windows efficiently, saving time and effort. Create an enchanting atmosphere with the solar torch. Its flickering flame effect adds warmth and elegance to any outdoor space while offering a safe alternative to traditional candles. Capture crystal-clear audio with the Ceramon Blink MIB 2. This clip-on wireless microphone system is compatible with multiple devices, making it a versatile choice for creators and professionals. Bring the big screen experience to small spaces with the T1 Tiny Projector. This portable device projects images up to 120 inches, making it ideal for entertainment and presentations on the go. In Dubai, robots patrol the streets, scanning for weapons and maintaining security with ease. These futuristic officers work tirelessly to ensure a safer environment, redefining law enforcement with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a city bike that folds down to the size of a suitcase. Easy to store and transport, it's ideal for urban commuters who need to save space. Whether traveling or commuting, this compact bike offers the perfect balance of portability and functionality, making it a must-have for anyone on the go. Robotics have slashed eyelash extension time from 2 hours to just 20 minutes, allowing salons to serve more clients quickly. A true game changer for the beauty industry, saving both time and effort. This rescue fleet can be deployed in under 1 minute, ready to assist up to 100 people in emergencies. Designed for quick response, it's an essential tool for saving lives during critical situations. Flex steps transform any staircase into an accessible platform lift, making homes more inclusive. Ideal for wheelchair users, it's a simple, efficient solution to improving mobility in everyday spaces. All-weather tennis. With Aiden Pedal Court, you can play tennis in any weather. Designed for durability and all-year use, it's the perfect solution for avid players who never want to miss a match, regardless of conditions. The Viking floating platform ensures a safe evacuation for up to 200 people from high-rise buildings, reaching up to 262 feet in the air. It's a vital emergency tool for fast, reliable escapes during disasters. Aeromobile lets you travel anywhere, even without roads. This innovative vehicle offers the freedom to explore off-road terrains, making long journeys easier and more exciting. It's transportation without limits. Doctors can now perform high-quality ultrasounds anywhere with this portable scanner. Results are viewable instantly on smartphones, revolutionizing care in remote or emergency situations. This motorized wheelbarrow boosts productivity by speeding up material transport. Perfect for construction and landscaping, it reduces manual labor, making heavy lifting easier and more efficient. eBot AI is a smart home assistant that learns and adapts to your routines. It helps with daily tasks without fuss, managing chores efficiently and letting you focus on what matters most. This innovative bucket turns anyone into an expert hay baler. With a simple scoop and compress, it reduces the time and effort needed for hay collection, making farm work easier and faster. Keep your bike safe, dry, and secure with the All-Pen Bike Capsule. This waterproof case protects your bike from the elements, offering peace of mind for cyclists on the go. The Arma scooter reaches speeds of up to 14 miles per hour and folds for easy storage. Perfect for urban travel, it's a compact, efficient solution for navigating city streets with ease. The platypus glides at 20 knots on water, and with the press of a button, it dives underwater for exploration. This versatile craft offers both speed and adventure in one exciting package. This luxury car elevator lifts your vehicle into underground parking, keeping it safe from weather and prying eyes. With a simple press of a button, your car is hidden, secure, and ready to go. The Power Loader light exoskeleton enhances your lifting abilities by sensing your movements, making heavy lifting easier. It's a lightweight solution for workers who need extra support and efficiency. This clever space-saving invention is designed to make the most of your environment. With innovative, compact technology, it adapts to your needs and maximizes available space. And those are some of the most groundbreaking inventions shaping 2025. Which innovation do you find the most fascinating? Share your thoughts in the comments below.